A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the technology and livelihood education major. Let review a 10-item practice test, said 7A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What are the three nutrients that are found in the bread, cereal, rice, and pasta group? A. Carbohydrates, iron, and vitamins B. B. Iron, carbohydrates, and zinc. C. Fiber, protein, and water. D. Protein, zinc, and minerals. Which of the following adds more color to the table? A. Centerpiece. B. Placemat. C. Tablecloth. D. Table napkin. The force which opposes and reduces the flow of electrical current is recognized as A. Electromagnetic force. B. Power. C. Frequency. D. Resistance. It refers to the lighter organic material that rises to the surface of the water. A. Anaerobic. B. Aerobics. C. Froth. D. Scum. What materials are to be laid out? The best tools to be used are A. Measuring tools. B. Tooth cutting tools. C. Lining tools. D. Boring tools. To completely describe a cone, sphere and rectangular pyramid, the number of views needed is A1, B2, C3, D6. It is considered as the heaviest and darkest line that surrounds a drawing and is usually rectangular in shape. A. Border line. B. Visible line. C. Dimension line. D. Cutting. Where should you place the name of the top view for labeling? A. Above the view. B. Beside the view. C. Below the view. D. Inside the view. It is used to prevent friction burns during a massage and to soften and moisturize the skin. A. Cuticle remover. B. Massage cream. C. Nail bleaches. D. Nail whiteners. The aspects of business management that analyzes and determines the supply and demand for the product or service in that past and its competitive position at present is A. Budgeting aspect. B. Finery aspect. C. Marketing aspect. D. Production aspect. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.